Look how flexible this tripod is. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are new to this channel is about travel tips, events in the city where I live. Right now I'm in Chicago. I also cover photography, video editing, things I've learned. Once in a while I cover photography, video editing, things that I've learned which I would like to share with you. Right now I'm in Chicago, but in a few weeks or in about a month or so, I will be traveling to Southeast Asia in the Philippines, and I'm so excited about it. Speaking of travel, I would like to share with you a product which I purchased recently at Amazon. Okay, now note this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just want to share with you a product which probably you can use if you're looking for a tripod that you can use for your GoPro or your video camera or your smartphone all at the same time. Just one product that you can use for all these three equipment. Alright, this is the flexible tripod which I bought from Amazon a few weeks ago. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see what's inside. So this is the tripod. You can see the legs are very flexible. Comes with a 1/4" universal thread here. You can use for cameras, GoPro cameras, mobile phones. It has an adapter for mobile phones. Comes with a remote control too. I'll show you how to use that later. And this is the adapter for the GoPro. One of the things I love about this tripod is this ball head here. The angle here can be adjusted. As you can see, you can loosen the knob here, and you can adjust this, tighten it. So this works if you want to have adjust the orientation of your phone to take portrait or landscape photo or video. There you go. Alright, let's test the iPhone or the smartphone adapter. So that's an easy install. Tighten it a little bit. This one I'm using an iPhone 8. Fits in perfectly. So again, for the ball head, you can adjust. Oops. There. You can change the orientation. Now let's test the GoPro adapter. I already installed the adapter, as you can see on my GoPro here. And let's attach it now to the tripod. Right, easy enough. Just get it like that, or like this. Now, if you have a camcorder or a professional camera, you don't need an adapter because you have this universal 1/4 thread already. Just install it. Adjust it a bit. There you go. Another thing I love about this tripod are these flexible legs, which you can adjust randomly if you're in a slope on a circular surface. So this can be easily adjusted to ensure a tight grip. See how easy it curves. Now for the remote, you can pair it with your iOS smartphone or Android. There's an on-off switch here. Let's turn it on. In this case, I'm using my iPhone, so press it for 3 to 4 seconds and then go to your phone. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled and you should see AB shutter 3, and that's how you pair your iPhone, your smartphone to the remote. So as you can see, it's connected right now. And then once it's paired, you can go to the camera on your smartphone and then you control the shutter from here. I will put the product link in the description below. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked it. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you learned anything. And if you're interested in the product, I'll put the description below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.